You can see the screen. All of you can
Yes.
see the screen.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the
Yes,
question
sir.
paper. So now you have to answer. Huh? I will not answer. You have to answer. After that, I will tell you which one is
Sir,
correct and which
please
one is
zoom
wrong.
in the screen.
Oh, Zoom. So question
So
number
you ask
one.
one by one to all. Yeah, second, sir, please wait.
Look, some fill in the blanks are there. Correct answers are there. Huh? Choose the correct option is there, and yes and no is there, and long answers are there. And one more thing will be there in final exam. Means in your term, one more thing is there, that matching. Matching also can be there. In this exam I have not given, but matching will be there, and it will be more difficult. Matching will be more difficult. So the question number one is, memory loss and confusion are the main symptoms of which disease?
Al-Hajmi. That is the
Yes, answer.
Sir, please ask one by one.
Yes, yes. Do
yes,
one thing, you can
sir.
write one
Sir,
one
we
word
will
question, you
write
can
in
write in
message
chat.
section.
Yes, you can write in chat box. One word question you can write in chat box. For long answer I will ask you. For one word question you can write in chat box. Okay, so what are these are symptoms for which disease? कौन सा disease का symptoms है? Okay, Susmita said Alzheimer. Other students?
So wait.
I checked. I checked few answers. Huh? Some answers are wrong. I have checked. Yes, Ogni, Shreya, all are saying Alzheimer. Other students, whatever you have written, you can answer. No problem. Then you can understand which is wrong and which is correct. Okay, so Alzheimer is the correct answer. Huh? Alzheimer is the correct answer. And spelling should be correct. Huh? In exam, if the spelling is wrong, you will get
Yes, sir.
half number. If one number is there, because of spelling mistake, you will get only half number. So check your
Yes,
spelling
sir.
also. If the spelling is wrong, it means only half number you will get. And the next question is, at the time of migration, geese fly in dash formation. Which formation geese used to fly when they used to migrate?
Me.
Yes, the formation is V. So I think these two questions everyone has given correct. Few answers are incorrect. Huh? I have checked. I'm not telling the name, they can understand. V is the correct answer. Now next, choose the correct option. I wish that I could give you something, but I have nothing left. I'm sorry, said the tree. After this, what the boy replied. This is the voice of the tree. And after that, what the boy replied. Which one is the correct answer? C number. All are saying C. Let me check C. I don't need very much now.
Sir, sorry,
Yes,
I have written that none of the above. It will be option C. Sorry, sorry.
yes, yes. Okay. So C is the correct
Yes, sir.
answer.
Yes, sir,
It
the
is the
C I
last.
have written.
It is the last conversation, I think. The tree and the boy, between the tree and the boy. After that, the boy said, "I don't need very much now because I am very old."
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, fourth number. Which one is not the correct name of voluntary organization who work for the cause of animals? कौन सा नेम वॉलंटियर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का नहीं है ना? Three will be a voluntary organization and one is not the name of voluntary organization. Which one is that? B. Okay, so all of you have written B. Other students who are not answering, they have to answer. Okay, it can be wrong, no problem. This is only Monday test. This is not your final test. Huh? You can judge
No, sir,
your
I have not
preparation from this.
written B.
You have not written B. Okay, no problem. So the B will be the answer. Huh? B will be the answer because look, Project Aware is the name of volunteer organization. Defenders of Wildlife is also a name of volunteer organization. Save the Elephant. All the three names are there in the answer. I have given you the answer of exercise question. मैंने आंसर दिया था ना, वो सारा ये सारा लिखा हुआ है ना. You have to read the answer that I have given. क्योंकि मैं उससे भी क्वेश्चन दे सकता हूँ. Because look, this question is totally depend on the answer that I have given. Okay, so these three names are there, and Relief International is the different name. This is nothing, हाँ, वो मैंने बनाया है. Now the fifth number. In what ways can you express our love and respect for elders? What are the ways you can express your love and respect to the elders? D. Okay. So D is the correct answer. Yes, all is written D. D is the correct answer. Means all the points are correct. Sixth number. Choose the correct one. Which was the correct one? Silverstein. You have to choose the correct spelling. D.
So the correct answer is D, not C.
Okay,
Sir,
let me
D.
check. C and D are the options, no? Answers. So
So
the
only
spelling
D.
is SHEL. Sil means A and D. And
S-I-L-V.
SILVERSTEIN. D is the correct option. Right? Those are written C. That is not correct. D is the correct option. Okay, so 1 marks. No problem. This is only 1 marks question. Now next is 7-1. This is tick the correct moment because of which the parents were speechless. In the chapter Care for the Elderly. एक टाइम था ना जब स्पीचलेस हो गए थे वो उनके पेरेंट्स. Which was that moment? C. Susmita has written B. Amrita C. Other students?
So which number?
The
Sir,
question
7
number is
number
7.
will be answer C, not B.
7 number.
B.
Okay, let them answer. Let all the students answer.
So
Then I will
7
take it.
will be C and the 6 will be D.
6 is the D. What will the answer of 7? Someone has written B. Only Susmita has written. Only Susmita has written B. Others have written C. Okay, C is the correct option. Okay, Susmita. If you have written B,
Okay.
that is not correct because you can check the chapter. You can read the chapter. You can find the word speechless on this line, where because the reply of their son while playing with the wood crabs है ना, जब वो wood crabs के साथ खेल रहा था उसने रिप्लाई किया ना कि फ्यूचर में जब भी मैं अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए भी सेम चीज प्रोसेस कर रहा हूँ ना, so because of that reply they were speechless because the son is doing the same thing for their parents, what they are doing with their parents. Now C number 8 number question. Tell me is yes or no. Project Aware is the name of animal shelter. Project Aware is the name of animal shelter. Yes or no? No. Yes. Devasita has written yes. Others have written no.
I'm wrong, I know.
Okay. Devasita, the yes is not the correct answer. No is the correct answer. No problem. So
Yes.
from this you can understand. तुम्हें इसी में समझ आ जाएगा. Next time will not do this. So this is the name of. What will be the correct answer? किस चीज का नाम है ये? Project Aware.
Voluntary organization.
Yes, you can find the answer in your question paper only. Read the question number 4. You can find your answer. Question number 4 में देखो मैंने ऑप्शंस दिया था ना, वॉलंटियर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस कौन कौन सा है. If you have given the correct answer in 4 number, then your 8 number is already automatically correct. Okay. देखो पूरा आंसर दिया है 4 नंबर में. Okay, so now the long questions are there. This is not a long question. 9 number. The greatness of the nation and its moral progress can be judged by the way of its animal are
Sir, it
treated.
is also short.
This is also short. 1 number. Only one word. Said by, who said this line? The greatness of the nation.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Yes, Mahatma Gandhi. Yes, all are correct. Mahatma Gandhi. So in your book only Gandhi is written. Yes.
So after this, these are long questions, so we have to
Yeah, these
tell
are
those.
these are the
sir.
long question. I will ask you one. Those who want
Okay,
to
sir.
answer, they can answer. Huh?
Sir, may I?
Now, let me read the question first. Beating and weeping and bruising drought animals are common. What drought animals means here? इस लाइन में
Sir, may
drought
I?
animals का yes, Susmita.
Yes, sir. Beating, whipping, and brushing drought animals are common. Here, drought animals means strong working animals that used to draw, load, upload, and
Yes,
etc.
yes. Any other student?
So may I?
If you've written any other answer, huh? Yeah.
So draught animal means the animal who carry loads from one place to another.
Who carry loads from one place to
Sir,
another.
may I?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Yes, Ogni.
Yes, sir. I have written that beating, wiping, and bruising drought animals are common. Drought animal means here a strong working animal used to draw a load.
Yes. Any other student want to say the answer that you have written? Okay, so all the answers are correct. The four students had already answered. All the answers are correct. Drought animals are the animals whose task is including pulling loads, है ना? जो loads को
Yes.
pull करते हैं from one place to another. So they are called drought animals. बैलगाड़ी है ना? घोड़ा गाड़ी हो सकता है ना? So these are called drought animals. Now the next one, 11 number. Why animals deserve kindness? This
Sir, may
is
I?
the question
Sir,
in your
may
book.
I?
Sir, may I?
Yes.
Yes, sir. So the
Susmita.
animals deserve kindness because they are helpless and they cannot plead their own cause.
Yes. What is the marks of the question? 2 number, no? 2 number.
So may
3
I
number.
tell?
Sir,
3
may I
number.
tell?
हाँ, say.
Sir, may
Ogni.
I?
Ogni.
Yes,
Then
sir.
Shreya.
Animal deserves kindness because they're helpless and cannot plead their own cause. They love and serve us in so many ways too. They teach us the importance of teamwork by the way they work together. For example, ants work together to achieve much larger goals than they could accomplish by themselves.
Yes.
So may I?
Shreya.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Animals are no doubt our best friends as we are being continuously helped by them. They make our life easy, but their helps, their assistance are not valued, but they are tortured day by day and we become very rude to them. Their love,
Yes.
their friendship, innocence are violated. They become helpless. So, of course, they need kindness.
Yes. Good. So any other student? और कोई बोलना चाहता है? The answers that you have written. You can try, huh? If it can be wrong, there is no problem in that. You can answer. Whatever you have written, you can answer.
So I think now anybody not wants to say.
Yes, Palak.
Yes, sir. So
Hmm.
animal need kindness because they live, they recognize people, they know, and people also express their feeling and we should be
Repeat,
treated
repeat. I
with
can't get.
kindness.
I'm not getting your voice, Palak. आवाज कट रहा है ना? Repeat again.
Yes, sir, because of network problem.
Yes, yes, yes. You can repeat.
Yes, sir, animal they can act as great companion in our life. For example, animal like a dog acts a great source of a companion in human life. Therefore, there are other animals as well as treated with love and keeping our selfish our selfishness aside they shower their love upon us.
Yes, yes. They are not selfish like us. They are always kind to everyone. Huh? So all the answers are correct. But Susmita, you have written very short answer. Huh? So look at the marks of the question. You have to decide the length of the answer with the marks. देखो 3 नंबर का क्वेश्चन है तो एटलीस्ट कितना लाइन होना चाहिए? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? फॉर 3 marks question, how much lines should be there? At least 4 lines should be there, right? 3
So,
lines to
your
4 lines.
voice is breaking.
I'm saying
No, it is
that
clear. So I can see as network.
maybe your network is creating problem. So listen, 3 marks question is there. So you have to decide with the marks of the question. How much lines should be there in your answer. Suppose 1 marks, it can be 1 line, it can be 1 word. 2 line, it can be 2 line, 2 to 3 line. 3 marks, it must be 3 to 4 lines, right? If you are writing less than 3 lines, means if you're writing 1 line, how can I give you 3 marks, right? अगर तुम पूरा आंसर, you're not elaborating the answer in 3 to 4 lines, you're just giving 1 line, then it is impossible to give three marks, right?
So my one is correct.
Yes, all the answers are correct. Only I'm telling to Susmita that Susmita answer is also correct, but Susmita has written very short answer. My answer, the question is of 3 marks, na? So you have to at least write
Yes, sir.
3 to 4 lines. 3 to 4 lines should be there. है ना? You can divide it in point also. Point में भी divide कर सकते हो, or making it easy to understand for others. You can make it in point. So remember from the next time that decide the length of the answer with the number, with the marks.
Yes.
6 marks, 5 marks, that will be very long question, long answer. Okay, so now next is 12. The giving tree was continuously fulfilling all the demands of the boy by sacrificing everything. What the poet want to show all of us through this. जो गिविंग ट्री था, पूरे पोएम में you can see, in the whole poem you can see the tree is giving, continuously giving, sacrificing everything, every parts of his body is sacrificing for that boy. But from this, what the poet want to show others, है ना, who are reading, what the poet want to show from this story?
So may I tell?
Yes.
Yes. Like the giving tree, our parents try their best to fulfill our demands to make us happy. But if due to any reason they cannot, we forget all their sacrifices and began to insist, cry for our demanded things. In most of the cases, when parents are very old, the children took them to old aged homes. The children do not take care of the old parents, but still parents do their best to make us happy.
Yes.
And it is like the giving tree. Through the splendor poem, The Giving Tree, the poet wants to show us the sacrifices, the selfless love, the untouchable blessing our parents give us always, but most of the time we become a beast and forgetting those unconditional, unworldly, fathomless things make our parents sad and unhappy.
Yes. Look, your answer is also correct. I can't say it is
Sir, may I
not
tell
correct,
one
but
thing?
yes, Ogni.
Sir, may I tell?
Yes, let me say one thing. Look, Shreya,
Okay,
your
sir.
answer is also correct. I can't say it is not correct, but listen, from the poem, the poet tried to say something different. You are relating with ourselves, with humans. If you are relating with humans, it is correct. But I think you can relate, no problem. But from the poem, the poet tried to say something different. I will tell you. Let me listen all the questions. Ogni, yes?
Yes, sir, I am telling. The giving tree was continuously fulfilling all the demands of the boy by sacrificing everything. The poet wants to show us tender story, touched with sadness, aglow with consolation. The poet wanted to show a moving parable for readers of all ages that offers an affecting interpretation of the gift of giving and a serene acceptance of another's capacity to love return.
Okay, you are also relating with different humans. है ना? You are also relating the chapter with human beings.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Any other
When I
student?
left one time, actually, Sir is calling me for the Kargil Day.
Okay, receive the call, then come, join
No,
again.
sir, not for Kargil Day, the creative writing.
Okay, join the call and come again. Okay, any other student?
No, sir.
Okay, listen. So from the poem, if you read the poem, if you read the full poem, what you can understand, the poet is continuously telling about the nature, right? उसने nature के बारे में ही पूरा बोला. Tree means nature. From the one tree, the poet want to say, tell you about the whole nature, है ना? Every tree, every plant, about the greenery. So the poet want to say that like a tree, you can compare the tree with the nature, है ना? So the nature is continuously giving us by sacrificing every part of their body, है ना? We're getting so many, we're making so many objects from by cutting trees, by the leaves, by branches, from every part, है ना? By the trunk. So and in the return, what we are giving, we are being selfish. We're using them, we're cutting them more, right? So in return, we are giving nothing. Just we are taking, we are being selfish. We're using them. We're making different useful products from them, but in return, we are giving nothing. So the poet is only trying to show the nature. But if you are relating with the human being, it is also correct. Your answer is also correct. If you are relating the human, it is with human being, like tree, human beings are also same. Like if you have said parents and children, a family, is also correct. But from the poem, if you are not relating, the poet is continuously telling about the nature, right? पोएट ने पूरा वक्त पूरा टाइम नेचर को लेकर ही बोला है ना, ओनली टेलिंग अबाउट द नेचर. बट अगर तुम रिलेट कर रहे हो विथ एनिमल्स, विथ ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, विथ एनी ऑब्जेक्ट, है विथ एनी ह्यूमन, एनी वन, is also correct. If you are relating, it is also correct. But in the poem, the poet is continuously telling about the nature, only nature, and about the behavior of
If
humans.
we see it superficially, then it is telling about nature. But as it is in the chapter, looking after for elder lessons, so that's why I have related with human beings.
From the first chapter, it is different. You are relating the first and second chapter both, right?
Yes, sir.
So not second chapter, it is a part of first chapter. So if you're rating both the part, then you are correct. But I'm asking only about this poem, right? I'm asking only about the giving tree. The poem name is Giving Tree. So I'm only asking about this. So the only thing the poet used to tell about the nature and the behavior of human being, है ना? What the behavior of human being towards nature and what the behavior of nature towards human being, है ना? दोनों का behavior एक दूसरे के प्रति कैसा है? नेचर का बिहेवियर ह्यूमन बीइंग की तरफ कैसा है और ह्यूमन बीइंग का बिहेवियर नेचर की तरफ कैसा है ना? जस्ट उन्होंने ऐसे ही दिखाया. देखो, नो अदर पीपल आर कमिंग इन द स्टोरी, ओनली वन बॉय एंड वन ट्री. यस Ogni?
Yes, sir. Which question are you discussing now?
The same question. Sir,
Okay, sir.
you have also connecting the story with different human being, na? So I'm telling in the poem, the poet is only used to try to tell about the nature. From one tree, the poet want to say about the nature, the whole nature, है ना? एक ट्री से पोएट ने क्या किया, पूरा नेचर को दिखाया कि नेचर हमारे लिए क्या कर रहा है. मीन्स नेचर का बिहेवियर ह्यूमन बीइंग की तरफ कैसा है और ह्यूमन बीइंग का नेचर की तरफ कैसा है ना? हम लोग कैसा बिहेव कर रहे हैं ट्रीज के साथ, हमारे ग्रीनरी के साथ, है ना? नेचर के साथ, नेचर हमारे साथ कैसा बिहेव कर रहा है. हम लोग कैसा भी बिहेव करें, नेचर हमेशा हम सेक्रीफाइस ही करता है ना. ऑलवेज यूज टू गिव नेचर, but in return what we are doing, we are continuing the same thing. We're using them, we're being selfish by using their products, we're cutting them, है ना? Look in the poem, you can see no other people are there, only one boy and one tree, है ना? एक बॉय एक ट्री है, कोई अदर ह्यूमन बीइंग नहीं है और कोई अदर पेड़ भी नहीं है. नो अदर कैरेक्टर इज देयर, वन ट्री इज देयर एंड वन बॉय इज देयर. मीन्स टू सोसाइटी इज देयर, एक ह्यूमन सोसाइटी एंड द नेचर सोसाइटी इज देयर. So you can relate, no problem. Relate कर सकते हो, that is also correct. But remember, from the next time, you can write only about, you can think only about this chapter. No? Don't relate with the other chapter. If I'm saying, if the question will be like this, that you can relate with this chapter and you can answer, then you can then your answer is correct. अगर मैं बोलूँ क्वेश्चन में ही कि you can relate with different thing with the chapter, then you can relate. But I have not said to relate, na? I've said what the poet want to say through the chapter. Okay, no problem. What you have written, but you can think like this, huh? Your answer is also correct. What I am saying, that is also correct in a different way. Now the last one is write 3 lessons that we should learn from animals. So there are so many lessons we are learning from animals. So you have to give 3 lessons only. Tell me what you have written.
Yes, I'm telling.
Hmm.
Hello.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Yes. Three lessons we should learn from animals are: number one, teamwork. It is done by most of the animals. They always work in team to do something. It helps us to accomplish difficult tasks with proper care. Number two, loyalty and innocence. Animals are very faithful and trustworthy. They are filled with colors of innocence. They do not harm us if we do not harm them. We can be like them. Number three, patience. They are the best examples of patient creatures. For hunting, they have to be patient. Also, herbivores are patient in nature. Patience is important for success, so we should learn it also.
Yes, patience, teamwork. You have written 2
So may I,
points, right?
Yes, a patience, teamwork, and loyalty, innocence.
Okay, loyalty, innocence. Huh? Okay, good, good. Now, any other student? Susmita, you want to
yes,
say?
sir. Yes, sir, I'm saying. The three lessons that we should learn from animals are: number one, the teamwork, number two, the patience, and number three, the forgiveness.
Okay, you have
So
not
may
explained the points, huh? Susmita, you have not explained the points.
Yes, sir.
पॉइंट्स एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया तुमने ना, सिर्फ पॉइंट्स लिखा है, राइट?
Yes,
स्मिता,
sir.
So, for 3 marks, we must have to explain those things.
यस, लिसन, you can, हाँ, marks is matter here, marks is also matter,
There,
but
there's not written that we have to explain, so that's
हाँ,
why
I have not
I
written.
also not explain
So in
because
this
they are
case,
written three
in this,
lessons, so I write
हाँ,
only the lessons.
it is correct because I have not written in the question, है ना, मैंने लिखा ही नहीं क्वेश्चन में ना, I have written only 3 points. If I write 3 points, so you can write 3 points. It can be small, it can be big. 3 points would be there. So it is correct. Susmita is also correct in this place.
So may I tell?
Yes, you have elaborate the point. That is also very good, है ना? Elaborate किया वो बहुत अच्छा है. It is good for you and good for me to understand also.
So, for 3 marks, can we write like this? Means only the points name.
Yes, yes. Because I have written, है ना? मैंने लिखा है. If I write that, give 3 lessons and elaborate that lessons, then you have to elaborate that lesson, है ना? But I have written
Yes.
only give the name of 3 lessons, है ना? What are the 3 lessons that you are getting from the animals?
So may I
So
tell
just
the three
like
lessons sometime?
yes, yes,
Three lessons that we should learn from animals are: number one, trust our instincts; number two, reach our goals and perceive; number three, live sustainability.
yes. Okay, good. All are correct. Any other student?
Sir,
हाँ, पलक.
yes, sir. So the three lessons we should learn from animal are: the first, forgiveness and respect; number two, loyal and faithful; and number three is teamwork.
Teamwork. Yes, good. So all have written correct answer. Those are not answering, I don't know about the answer they have written. I will check. So you can elaborate, but no need to elaborate, है ना? Because I've written only write 3 lessons. If you are giving it अगर 100 number का question होता, so it will take your time, है ना? So if you write only the points, it is also correct. If you are elaborating, it is also correct. But no need to elaborate. If I have not written to elaborate, no need to elaborate. अगर मैं लिखूं elaborate करने को या फिर कोई ऐसा मैं points ना ही बोलूं, मैं कुछ बोलूंगा ही नहीं, है ना? जैसे मैंने लिखा था राइट एंड वाई एनिमल डिजर्व्स काइंडनेस, आई हैव नॉट रिटन एनी पॉइंट्स, मैंने पॉइंट्स लिखने बोला भी नहीं है और मैंने इलेबोरेट करने बोला भी नहीं है. सो बट फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड, यू हैव टू इलेबोरेट, तुम्हें इलेबोरेट करना ही पड़ेगा ना. बट इन दिस क्वेश्चन आई हैव रिटन क्लियरली रिटन दैट राइट 3 लेसन्स that we should learn from animals. The lesson should be small, the lesson should be big. It depends on you. It depends on your answer, है ना? Okay, so from next time think about like this, because if you are giving 100 marks question and suppose 50 mark question, it will take your time if you're elaborating. So read the question properly and answer like this. Okay, so any confusion? in the question?
No, sir, no confusion.
I think question is very easy, right?
Yes, sir.
For-
But sir, if we means get a lot of time, then from this question we can write a lot.
Yes, sir. So this is the main thing. If we get more time, then we can get more writings.
if you
But
have,
sir, for one
but-
means 1 hour here, so sir, that's
Giving
why
the question is a thinking question. Means we can write by thinking it. So if we get more
Yes,
time,
yes.
then we can more think.
because long questions you have to think. For answering the long question you have to think. You need little bit time. But only 1 hour is there, and in that 1 hour you have to
so 1
download the
hour
paper.
is means sir 1 hour is too much for this question paper. So sir, that's why I've
Yes, yes, yes.
explained those.
But 20 marks, if you think about the 20 number, it is 1 hour is enough, right? For 20 number, 1 hour is enough. But in 1 hour, you have to not only have to answer, you have to download the question paper, you have to submit the question paper. Network problem can be there, so you have to take your time. Because listen, some students have submitted late. You can see. I'm showing you my screen in classroom. Look, Ogni has given correct time. Amrita has given correct time. Audrija has done late. Ananya late. Anusmiti late. Devasrita correct. Divyan
Yes.
correct. Ishwani correct. Manish late. Sagnik correct. Sagnik Pramanik correct. Shreya, you're also late, na? So Srijita correct. Susmita is also late. So those who are late, it is okay.
Actually, I have
But
already told that some late will happen because I
look,
was
it is,
out of station. I have
from
given
network
the
problem, we can't do. Teacher also can't do anything for the network problem.
But sir,
But
I
it is
have
okay for Monday
submitted
test.
within time. So sir, why it is showing done late?
Look, it is computer. Maybe 1 minute late is late. 1 minute, 1 second late is late, right? Because the
Yes.
software is always on time. If you are submitting 1 second late, it means late. They will also count late. 1 second. If the exam will be live, 1 second doesn't matter. But in software, 1 second is means late. 1 second or 1 minute or 1 hour, all are late. So look, it is okay. You have submitted 5 minutes, 2 minutes late, but don't be late. It is okay for Monday test, but for the final test, I don't have the option. Okay, because मुझे कोई सर बोल देंगे कि सर don't take the late option, don't check the late question papers, the late answers. For Monday test, they have not said anything, but try to practice in the Monday test. है ना? अभी से practice करोगे, so you will prepare for the final test. So this is just for practice, to know your preparation. ठीक है, those have submitted late, try to submit fast. Try to take time, before try to take 10 minutes to submit. Don't submit in the last time, means last 1 minute, last 2 minutes. Try to keep 10 minutes in your hand to submit. ठीक है, क्योंकि ऑनलाइन है, हमेशा 10 मिनट हाथ में रखना, because of network, any problem can be there, na? Because your mobile also, it can be slow,
Yes.
it can hang sometime. So take
Yes, sir.
always 15. Yes. Yes, what happened? Anyone want to ask anything?
so I was
Yes, Susmita. Yes, Susmita, I'm not getting your voice. You can write, Susmita, if you're telling anything, you can write. So this is all for today, We have discussed only about the question paper. From next class, we'll start 6 number chapter,
Okay, sir.
Susmita, if you can write in chat box. If you want to say anything, you can write in chat box. After that, we can left the call. Okay, no. Okay, then. Bye, all of you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
thank you, sir. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.